Mike Foster here. Another one of my perfect egg videos. This one is a perfect omelet. Today we're going to show you how to make a perfect omelet. 3 eggs, salt, pepper, and some cheese. We got a little cheddar, some Gruyere, Swiss. It's going to be easy, and it's going to be perfect. Check it out. Okay, we start by cracking 3. These are large organic eggs into this bowl. Okay, nothing else except for a couple cracks of salt, a few cracks of pepper. Then you take a fork and then you beat and beat and beat these babies. The key is really giving them a good mix. Some people put these in blenders to get the eggs to open up a little more, or a Cuisinart. You can do it like this. All right. These babies are ready. Now let's go to the stove. We've heated this pan. Now remember, we don't want the pan too hot. In fact, what we're going to do is we're going to add a little butter, into this. To keep the eggs from browning too much, we're just going to add a little extra virgin olive oil. Alright, this should be a good base. Mix this around a little, lower the heat a little, because this is going to be a slow cook. This should take about 3 minutes, okay? To that, we're going to add our eggs. These are the 3 eggs that we beat with some little salt and pepper, nothing else. And now the rest is just waiting. We're just going to wait. We're going to judge this by when these sides get cooked. Some people you see do omelets, they push them in from the sides, they touch it. Nope, we're just going to let this sit for about 2-3 minutes, okay? Let's see how we're coming along. Oh yeah, look at that. You can see that? The sides are getting cooked. This middle, though, still has a lot to do. Now look, see a little bubble like that? Cover it. We'll reduce the heat. It's only been about a minute, so you know it's going to be a few more minutes. A little more salt. Let's jack it up with pepper. Alrighty. Alright, it's been about 2 minutes now. You can check it out. Look, it's solidifying. Trying to cook even. This side, I think, is cooking a little slower than this side, so you can just move the heat around like that. That's what I'm doing here. Another minute or so, we'll add the cheese and we'll flip it. And this omelet will be perfecto. Alright, it's been about 3 minutes. We're going to add the cheese. We're going to put a layer right through the middle, right here. Okay? Right through the middle. You can add anything you want. Black olives, tomatoes, spinach, anything. To me, the perfect, simplest omelet is just some cheese, salt and pepper, and eggs. Alright, now you flip it like this. You take it and go in thirds. 1/3, and then the rest like that. Just like that. Bring it down. That omelet is perfect. We're going to roll it onto the plate. And of course, my favorite part, I'm going to take a nice big bite of it. How to make a perfect omelet, I just showed you. It was simple. Just be patient and it'll come out just like this. Now let's have a taste. Ooh. Look at that. See the cheese just oozing out? I bet you it tastes good. Oh, creamy. We're adding the olive oil. This cooked without getting all brown like some omelets. and the cheese was added right at the end. Oh, perfect. Another perfect egg recipe. For more perfect eggs, check out my playlist, my blog, my website, YouTube, you name it. Until next time, peace. Man, that's good.